4 mistakes that will make you lose your lover forever. The silent treatment. Ever pretend you're a grumpy cactus instead of talking things out? When feelings get hurt, silence might seem like the safest option, but it can build walls thicker than a castle. Instead, try talking calmly and respectfully, even if it's hard. Remember, communication is the magic bridge that keeps friendships strong. The possessive parrot. Wanting to spend time with your bestie is awesome, but don't clip their wings. Nobody likes feeling caged. Encourage your friend to explore other friendships and hobbies too. After all, independent birds have the coolest feathers. The copycat chameleon. Seeing your friend love something new can be tempting, but don't forget your own unique shine. Trying to be someone you're not is like wearing someone else's feathers, itchy and uncomfortable. Embrace your differences because that's what makes you both so special. The grumpy gremlin. Nobody wants to hang out with a grumpy cloud all the time. Even the sunniest friendships need a little rain of support and kindness sometimes. So, put on your sunshine smile, spread positive vibes, and watch your friendship blossom like a beautiful flower. Remember, friendship is a precious treasure. Avoid these 4 mistakes, keep the love flowing, and your bestie will be by your side through thick and thin, squawks and all. Happy chirping, love detectives. Don't forget to subscribe for more friendship adventures.